In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a comment on Instagram. Let's start with an important detail. At the moment, Instagram doesn't actually let you edit a comment once it's been posted. That means there's no built-in edit button for comments, the way there is for captions. But there is a simple workaround that gives you the same end result. You delete the original comment and immediately post a corrected version. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that, step by step, so it feels as close to editing as possible. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Navigate to the post where you left the comment you want to change. You can find this by checking your activity, going to the profile of the person you commented on, or scrolling through your home feed if it was recent. Once you're on the post, scroll down to the comments and locate your own comment. Take a moment to read it carefully and decide what you want to change. It can be helpful to mentally note the correction or even type it into your Notes app so you don't forget it after deleting. On most phones, to remove your comment, you either tap and hold on the comment, or on some devices, swipe left on it. This will bring up a small trash can icon or a delete option. Tap that to delete the comment. Instagram may briefly ask you to confirm you want to delete. Go ahead and confirm. Your original comment will disappear from the thread. Now you're ready to add your corrected version. At the bottom of the post, tap on the comment field again, just like you did the first time. Carefully type out the new updated comment, making sure you fix the typo, add the missing detail, or adjust whatever you wanted to change. Before you post, quickly double-check spelling, tags, and hashtags so you don't have to repeat this process. When you're happy with how it looks, tap Post or Send. Your new corrected comment will now appear under the post as if it's your original comment, but with all the changes you wanted. Keep in mind that if anyone had already replied to your old comment, those replies will no longer be connected to it, since the original was deleted. That's all there is to it. Until Instagram adds a true edit button for comments, deleting and reposting is the best way to edit a comment and keep your interactions looking clean and professional.